Good day everyone! Our video for today is about the Torah. Come and join me as we explore the Torah. Let's go! What is the Torah? It is a Hebrew word with a definition in every letter. It spells in Abrim, Tho means covenant, Oeo means nail, Rash means head or man, and He means behold. Torah definition, behold, the word is the covenant was nailed. Number 1, what is Torah? Here's a structured breakdown of key insights about the Torah. The first 5 books of Scripture. The Torah comprises Barashit or Genesis, Shamot or Exodus, Oigara, Leviticus, Bamadabar, Numbers, Hadabarim or Deuteronomy, forming the foundational text of the Abarim or Hebrew sign name, Scripture or Bible, Tanakh, and Old Testament. The term Torah means teaching or instruction, not just a law. Reflecting its role as divine guidance, it was received by Moshe, sign name Moses, on Mount Sinai, c. 1400 BCE, including the Ten Commandments and broader covenantal laws. Number 2, historical and cultural context. Abrim wrote, the Torah was written within Abarim or Hebrew culture and language, and understanding it requires this context. Early Christian translation, example, Greek Septuagint, the 70, often obscured its Abarimness or Jewishness in your version. Public reading. In first century synagogue, Torah portion were read weekly alongside prophetic text, Haftarah. Yahushua, in your version, Yeshua or Jesus or Joshua, participated in this tradition in Luke chapter 4 verse 16 to 30. Oral Torah versus written Torah. Rabbinic traditions, later compiled as the Talmud, expanded on the Torah, but these are not scripture. Distinction critical for accurate interpretation. Number 3, covenants. Explore Allah's promises to Abraham, Yitzhak or Isaac, Yaakov or Jacob, and Moshe or Moses, emphasizing their transformational, not obsolete, role in Abarim or Yisraelites. Messianic prophecy highlights how Torah foreshadows Yahushua, example Jesus or Joshua, as a type of Yeshua. Barashit or Genesis chapter 3 verse 15. Abri or Hebrew language insight dive into why it's Torah chest loving kindness to reveal deeper meaning. Number 4, common misconceptions to address Old Testament. The Torah is not replaced by the New Testament. Yahushua or Yeshua or Jesus, in your version, affirm its enduring validity. And Matthew or Mattatyahu, chapter 5, verse 17 to 19. Anti-Jewish bias, early gospel portrayals of Jewish leaders, example, Matthew chapter 27, verse 25, were shaped by later tensions, not historical accuracy. Clarify this to avoid anti-Semitic tropes. Number 5, verse-by-verse studies. Analyze Barashit or Genesis chapter 1, the creation, or Shamot, Exodus chapter 12, the Pesach or Passover, with Abarim or Hebrew insights. Cultural deep dives explain ritual, example, sacrifices and feasts, and their messianic significance, debunking myths. Contrast Torah's intent with later rabbinic or Abarim misinterpretations. Number 6, recommended resources, podcast, Abarim Hebrew Scripture Insight by Matthew Bilani or Dr. Nehemiah Gordon for scholarly perspectives. Archaeology, the Upper Room's Torah Ark Niche pointing to Golgotha. Ties Torah to Yahushua, Last Supper. The Torah, rich history, language, and theology are undertaught in Christian circles by blending Abarim Jewish context, messianic prophecy, and cultural insights. My channel can bridge gaps and foster deeper scripture engagement. Sila!